Hi friends, welcome to Guru Maths Theory. Problems we have already covered in this app. You can check those by downloading this app from Play Store. These are useful for you in CBSE, ICSE and state boards. These are basics of maths. So, let's start. Today we will be covering measurements. Now what do you mean by measurement? Here, we measure small things in centimeters, millimeters and large lengths in meters and kilometers, right? How do you measure? Suppose if I ask you what is your height, so will you tell me in kilometers or meters? No, you will tell me in feet, right? That is basically a different system, that's called as FPS, but you remember it in centimeters and meters. You will tell me in either centimeters or not millimeters, because millimeters would be too heavy. Suppose if I ask you the length of a pin, will you tell me in kilometers, meters, centimeters or millimeters? You will tell me in millimeters, because pin is smaller one. So that's why if any length is small, we measure it in centimeter and meter, and if any length is big, then we measure it in meters and kilometers. Standard unit for length is meter, which is written as short as small m, right? 1 meter length is divided into 100 equal divisions, means 1 meter 100 divisions. Now each small division, 100th division, is called as centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. The largest distance measured is kilometers. 1 kilometer length is divided into 1000 equal divisions. Each division is termed as meter, right? See this, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Now this, even though it's given only for kilometers, meters, you can follow the same rules for kgs and liters also. Same rules do follow for them. So we'll study each one now. 1 kilometer equals to 10 hectometer equals to 1000 meter. So remember this, 1 kilometer 1000 meter. Then below kilometers comes hectometer. 1 hectometer equals to 10 decameters equals to 100 meters. Now 1 decameter equals to 10 meters. 1 meter equals to 10 decimeters. Now 10 decimeters means 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters means 1000 millimeters. 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeters. 1 decimeter equals to, now go reverse, 0.1 meter, right? Why? Because here 1 meter equals to 10 decimeters. You bring this 10 over here below meters and it will become 1 upon 10. Then it's 0.1. So 1 decimeter equals to 0.1 meters. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter equals to 0.01 meter. Why? See this. Bring this 100 on meter side, it will go down. So it will be 1 upon 100 meter. 1 upon 100 means 0.01. So 1 millimeter equals to 0.001 meter. Why? Because 1 meter equals to 1000 mm. So bring this 1000 on the other side, it will be 1 upon 1000. So if you divide 1 by 1000, the answer will be 0.001. Okay. Now this logic you can apply for kilogram also, for liters also. Means 1 kiloliter equals to 10 hectoliter equals to 1000 liter. Same you can apply it over here. Similarly for grams also. 1 kilogram equals to 10 hectogram equals to 1000 gram. So same you can apply it over here. Okay. Now this, here it ends actually up to millimeter and meter. But there are some British terms which are used. So 1 mile equals to 1760 yards. 1 mile equals to 5280 feet. 1 yard equals to 3 feet. 1 foot equals to 12 inches. But these are rarely asked in the exams. What are asked is these kilometers, meters, hectometers, these are asked up to millimeter. Okay. So remember that. But how to remember that? So there is a way. From top to bottom if we have to come, we'll follow it this way. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Means what? King means kilometers, Harry means hectometer, died means decameter, mother means meter, dint means decimeter, cry means centimeter, and much means millimeters. So it's a multiple of 10. 1 kilometer equals to 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer equals to 10 decameter. 1 decameter equals to 10 meter. 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Now suppose if I have to convert meter to millimeter, so 10 10 10 3 times, right? So that's why it is 1000. If I have to convert kilometer to meter, 10 10 10 3 times, right? 1 10, second 10, third 10, so that's why 1000. I have to convert kilometers to decameter, so 10 and 10, right? So it is 100. So similar logic you can use. This is much easier to remember. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. That's the simplest way to remember all these series. So that was the theory of measurements on maths. You can that this theory is useful for CBSE, ICSE and State Board. Problems you can find it in the Yuvaguru Maths IMO app on the Play Store. Download that app to get these questions, problems and theory as well. Then get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.